So the bright side is there's no obvious air gaps. Now we'll see how the embed is, because this soap got thick quick. It also rice, so I had to stick blend it, so that made it got thicker even quicker. The joys of floral fragrances. I say that with a whole lot of sarcasm. So this soap has the daisy in it, and I did the brown with a yellow swirl because I wanted a contrast between the white flower. However, I did not put fragrance in the yellow because I didn't want it to discolor. I didn't think the fragrance would discolor, but I didn't want to take a chance. So the yellow was fluid and the brown was thick. So I have no idea what the swirls are going to be like. Interesting. Most definitely not what I was anticipating. No air gaps in that. That's positive. We'll see if that remains. I mean, it's cool. It's totally not what I was expecting, but it is by no means bad. Just really not what I was expecting. I think this daisy also, the soap was so thick, it just pushed the swirl down. Again, I will take it. There aren't gaps between the daisy. It is a swirl, it is yellow, it's basically what I wanted. It almost has this like fiery vibe to it, the swirl, to me. I don't quite know how to explain it, but it's cool. I'll take it. The daisy stands out. That's what I wanted. So, you know, can't complain there. Not quite what I was going for, not quite what I expected I would get, but by no means am I unhappy with this. I will take it. Like I said, this fragrance was accelerating. There's no ricing tidbits, so I got all that out, so that's great. So yeah, let me know what you think.